Dear students, in this audiobook, we've meticulously crafted explanations and answers to help you understand the concepts better. However, remember that these solutions serve as reference material, a guiding light to illuminate your path. Why reference? Understanding the amount, dive into the depths of each answer. Grasp the nuances, step by step. Technical insights, explore the why behind the what. Understand the reasoning, formulas, and principles. Your unique journey. While we've paved the way, your journey is yours to create. Feel free to write your own answers. How to use this audiobook? Listen actively, tune in, absorb, and visualize. Let the words paint mental pictures. Pause and reflect. When you encounter an answer, pause. Reflect on the logic and connections. Write your version. Armed with newfound knowledge, pen down your unique responses. Express yourself. Welcome, today you are listening and learning. Chapter 2, Physical and Chemical Changes. Grade 8 Audiobook Solutions by our online classes. Question 1. Change is the law of nature which occurs in everyday life. State when a substance, that is, matter, undergoes a kind of change. Answer. A substance undergoes a change when energy is added or removed from the matter. Question 2. Give a reason why. A. Freezing of water is a reversible change while burning of a candle an irreversible change. Answer. Freezing of water is a reversible change because this change can be reversed by change in conditions, that is, if temperature is lowered freezing occurs and if temperature is raised melting occurs. On the other hand, burning of a candle is an irreversible change because it cannot be reversed by change in conditions. B. Change of seasons is a periodic change while change of weather is a non-periodic change. Answer. Change of seasons is a periodic change because it occurs periodically at regular intervals, whereas change of weather is a non-periodic change because it does not occur at regular intervals. Physical and chemical changes, term. Question 3. State which of the following pertain to chemical changes. A. Substance retains its identity. B. The change is permanent. C. No new substance is formed. D. Is easily reversible. E. Produces one or more new substances by change in its composition. F. The change is temporary. G. The composition and properties of the original substance are not altered. Answer. The following points pertain to chemical changes. B. The change is permanent. E. Produces one or more new substances by change in its composition. Rest of the points pertain to physical changes. Question 4. Give 4 reasons why burning of a magnesium ribbon in air is considered a chemical change. Answer. Burning of magnesium ribbon in air is considered a chemical change because 1. It is a permanent change. 2. It is not reversible. 3. New substance, magnesium oxide, is formed. 4. Composition and properties of the original substance has changed. Question 5. Compare the energy changes involved during a physical and a chemical change. Answer. Physical changes are not accompanied by a marked evolution or absorption of heat energy, whereas chemical changes are accompanied by evolution or absorption of heat energy and sometimes emission of light energy. Physical and chemical changes, examples. Question 6. Is change of state of matter a physical or a chemical change? Give reasons. Answer. Change of state of matter is a physical change because 1. It is a temporary change. 2. It is a reversible change. 3. No new substance is formed. 4. Composition and properties of substance do not change. Question 7. State which of the following terms connected with change of state of matter. That is A. Melting. B. Vaporization. C. Condensation. D. Freezing, pertain to I. Conversion of a liquid into a vapor or gas. 2. Conversion of a liquid into a solid. 3. Conversion of a solid into a liquid on heating. Answer. A. Conversion of a liquid into a vapor or gas, vaporization. 2. Conversion of a liquid into a solid, freezing. 3. Conversion of a solid into a liquid, melting. Question 8. Potassium chloride is added to water and stirred. A salt solution is obtained which is then boiled, leaving behind a residue. A. Is the above change physical or chemical? Physical change. B. Name the residue which remains behind after the salt solution is boiled. Potassium chloride. C. Is the change reversible or not reversible? Reversible. D. Are the composition and properties of the original substance altered? No. E. Give a reason why the above experimentation would not be possible if calcium carbonate is taken in place of potassium chloride. Calcium carbonate reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, hence a new substance is formed, so the change will be chemical, not physical. Question 9. Give a reason why. A. Heating a platinum wire is a reversible change, but heating a magnesium wire is an irreversible change. Answer. A. Heating a platinum wire is a temporary change that gets reversed on cooling the wire. Moreover, the composition and properties of platinum does not change. Hence, it is a reversible change. On burning magnesium wire, a new product, magnesium oxide, is formed. Hence, we cannot recover magnesium back, so it is an irreversible change. Give a reason why. B. Addition of zinc nitrate to water is a physical change, but addition of zinc to dilute nitric acid is a chemical change. Answer. On adding zinc nitrate to water, it dissolves and no new product is formed. The reaction is reversible, hence it is a physical change. On reacting zinc with dilute nitric acid, hydrogen gas is released and zinc nitrate is formed. The change is irreversible, hence it is a chemical change. C. Rusting of iron is a chemical change, but magnetization of iron is a physical change. Answer. Rusting of iron is a chemical change because a new product, iron oxide, rust, is formed after the reaction and the reaction is irreversible. Magnetization of iron is a physical change because on hammering, the iron nail gets demagnetized and we get the original product back. The reaction is reversible. Question 10. Select the chemical changes from the following list of changes. A. Vaporization of water into water vapor. B. Boiling of milk. C. Respiration in mammals. D. Rotting of eggs. E. Drying of a fruit. F. The carbon cycle. G. Occurrence of lightning. H. Breaking of glass. I. Butter turning rancid. J. Glowing of an electric bulb. K. Crystallization of a salt from its solution. L. Change of seasons. M. Preparation of carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer. Chemical changes are respiration in mammals, rotting of eggs, the carbon cycle, occurrence of lightning, butter turning rancid, preparation of carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. Objective type questions. Question 1. Select the correct answer from the choice in bracket to complete each sentence. A change in which a substance retains its identity is a dash, physical or chemical change. Physical change. 2. Matter is added or removed during a dash, chemical or physical change. Chemical change. 3. Energy required for completion of a physical change is dash, released or absorbed when the change is reversed. Released. 4. Dissolution of lead nitrate in water is deemed as a dash, physical or chemical change. Physical change. 5. A change in which matter undergoes a change but the total mass of substance is unaltered is a dash, physical or chemical change. Physical change. Question 2. State which of the following 1 to 5 pertain to 1. Sublimation, physical change. 2. Fermentation, chemical change. 3. Liquefaction or condensation, physical change. 4. Magnetization, physical change. 5. Respiration, chemical change. Question 3. Give reasons why the following are considered as chemical changes. Copper carbonate on heat gives copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Answer. Copper carbonate on heating gives copper oxide and carbon dioxide. as new products are formed and the change is irreversible, hence it is a chemical change. 2. A bright light is seen evolved when a strip of magnesium is heated. Answer. When a strip of magnesium is heated, magnesium oxide is produced and the bright light seen is the evolution of energy in the form of light. Hence, it is considered a chemical change. 3. Sulfur when burnt in air evolves a gaseous acidic product. Answer. Sulfur burns in air to produce a new gaseous acidic product, sulfur dioxide. Hence, the change is a chemical change. 4. An iron nail kept open in the atmosphere rusts. Answer. Iron nail kept in air forms rust, iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide is a new product and has different chemical composition and properties as compared to that of an iron nail. Hence, the reaction is a chemical change. 5. A piece of magnesium strip is dropped into a beaker containing dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer. When a piece of magnesium strip is dropped into a beaker containing dilute hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is liberated. As new products are formed and the change is irreversible, hence it is a chemical change. Question 4. Match the examples of changes in list I with the correct type of change in list 2. Answer. 1. Burning of paper. Chemical change. 2. Ringing of an electric bell. Physical change. 3. Curdling of milk. Chemical change. 4. An electric light is switched on. Physical change. 5. Melting of butter. Physical change. Question 5. Name the following. 1. The salt obtained when a chemical change takes place on addition of iron to dilute sulfuric acid. Iron sulfate. 2. The product obtained during a physical change when water converts from a liquid into a solid. Ice. 3. The product of the chemical change on keeping a polished iron nail exposed to the atmosphere. Iron 3 oxide, rust. 4. A form of energy required for a chemical change. Heat energy. 5. The gaseous product of the chemical change which takes place during respiration in living organisms. Carbon dioxide. If you found this audiobook helpful, don't forget to hit that like, spread the word. Share this audiobook with your friends, classmates, and fellow learners. Let's create a ripple effect of curiosity and understanding. Subscribe to our online classes. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and become part of our vibrant learning community. Chapter wishlist. Now, here's where you come in. Drop a comment below, telling us which chapter you'd like to explore next in our audiobook solutions. Is it chemical reactions, forces, or perhaps the mysteries of the periodic table? Let us know. Keep learning.